Have you ever wondered if I make more money on YouTube than I do selling on Amazon? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an April 2019 income report, breaking down all my expenses, my profit, how much I made on YouTube versus Amazon, and which one I would recommend for you. So stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to give you guys an income report, keep you guys up to date on my journey, my business, my two businesses, my YouTube channel, and also my Amazon FBA business. I'm going to be breaking down the profits, the expenses, comparing them both apples to apples, letting you guys know, and just being 100% transparent with you guys, the opportunity of YouTube, affiliate marketing, doing it that way, or doing an Amazon FBA business. So let's dive into my screen where we're going to dive into my Amazon Seller Central account, as you guys can see right here. And so what I did is I went right here, and this is April 1st to April 30th, so the end of the month, and then I hit apply, and you're going to see that for the month of April, I did just over $68,000 in sales. So that's sales, that's not straight profit. There's other expenses, PPC campaigns, the cost of the product, other business expenses. But that is the month of April, which I'm super happy about it. This is actually the highest month of my Amazon FBA journey, which is really awesome to see the progress of my FBA journey. And it's been literally, today almost marks the day of quitting my 9-to-5 and starting Amazon FBA full-time. So a year has gone by, and I've just grown and grown and grown, and it's been super fun to see. So I just want to say thank you guys for following along and supporting me. It's been an amazing journey, but now let's dive into what actually is the profit of that. So if we go to what's called Fetcher, this is one of my favorite tools when it comes to accounting. And if you guys want the same tool, I will include the link down below. But it will show me my true sales. So if we go right here, it's going to show my actual sales, which was $68,077, like it showed on my sales dashboard. But then there's promo rebates, there's refunds, there's reimbursements, and things like that. So that's the true sales. Then it shows me the units. Then it shows me the costs. So how much did I spend on order fees, the cost of goods, how much did the product actually cost me, how much did I spend on PPC? So I didn't spend all that much on PPC. I spent close to $3,500. Other expenses, so for example, I just bought a new computer, I upgraded some things in my office, things like that. Those are some expenses right there. There's recurring fees, so like subscription services like Helium 10, like Fetcher. There's some other subscription services that I am currently using to run my business. So those are expenses. Then we have recurring fees. That's what I just said. And then we have shipping. So when I ship from my house to Amazon directly, I spent $117 there. Then it shows me the true profit, which is just over $20,000 in profit at a total margin of 30%. So that's an awesome margin. Looking at throwing in expenses, like I have my car expense, my insurance. I have some other things built into the expenses, which is awesome to have a 30% margin overall through the month of April. So overall, I'm really happy with the progress of my FBA business. And now let's dive into my YouTube business. So I put together just a brief Word document to kind of show you guys exactly the streams of income, how much I spent in ads and expenses. So right here, as you guys can see, this is just a full breakdown. Course and coaching, the course and the coaching calls, just over $2,200. So coaching calls and the course, coaching calls, it was probably not quite 50%, but close to that. The course, I have two different courses, one that sells for $247, and then the product research course for $21. So that's where that came from. And then the coaching calls, I do $75 to $85 for 30 minutes, and then $150 for an hour. So that's where I got those numbers. Then affiliate marketing, in my YouTube videos, with my email list, with my Instagram. I promote certain services that I use and personally recommend. I don't promote anything that I do not personally use. So like Helium 10, Amazon Mailer, Fetcher, the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, for example. Those are services that I use and promote, and I have links in my channel. And if people use those links, then I get a very small commission of it. So that helped out a little bit with 2,100 bucks, just over 2,100. Then my YouTube ad revenue, and this is where people think that you're just going to make all the money in YouTube ads, which is not the case. It was only 273 bucks for the month, and then that's totals to be 46, just over 4,600 bucks, but that does not include expenses and the amount of money that I spend in ads. It's kind of funny how much I actually spend on ads, but I'm just trying to slowly grow my channel. Some people may think that's stupid, but I do promote my channel on Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. I do giveaways. So all of that, just close to 1,200 bucks total I spent in advertising to get my channel out, to try to get as many people to watch my content. So I spent 1,200 bucks there. Then I have expenses. So these are some other expenses: subscription services, CPA, things of that nature to run the business. It's not free. It's not just I have my laptop and I do whatever I want and everything I pocket. There's expenses that go into the business. So the total profit from that is just shy of $3,000, which I'm super happy about. I've had my YouTube channel for just a little over a year, so I'm not complaining by that. But at the same time, when I'm comparing these apples to apples right here, guys, $3,000 profit on hours and hours and blood and sweat and tears into my YouTube channel, I get $3,000. And then my Amazon business, where I put maybe a couple hours a week, I did over $20,000 profit. So as you guys can see right there, Amazon is way more profitable, at least for me. I know that there's other YouTube channels out where they don't even sell on Amazon, but they make millions of dollars selling courses, promoting affiliate links and all that stuff because they have a ginormous channel. They don't even need to sell on Amazon because they're literally pulling in 6 figures per month doing exactly this. But for me, my main focus is my FBA business. That is what I'm passionate about. I do love teaching. I love helping others, and I want to add as much value as possible. So that's why I do have the channel. And it is a great second source of income, but by all means, I spend so much time on it that I may be getting paid minimum wage at the best with my YouTube channel. So that's kind of just an honest breakdown with my FBA business versus YouTube. YouTube is really, really difficult to get people's attention, to get people to watch. I mean, I've had the channel, I've done over 100 plus videos, and some people don't want to watch, some people don't care because they think the content isn't good because I don't have a ton of subscribers or whatever the case may be. But I'm really happy with the progress, and I just want to kind of give you guys an income report because there is a podcast that I do watch, not watch, I listen to. It's Entrepreneurs on Fire, John Lee Dumas. He every single month he does an income report, and I really like hearing that. I like kind of staying up to date with how much money he's making, the ups and the downs of his business, where he's getting the revenue from. And so that's why I decided to make this video. Just open up the curtains, show you guys my income report for April, and to show you that yes, Amazon is my main business. YouTube, yes, it's great, it's super fun. I spend hours and hours and hours making videos like this, editing, getting people to make cool intros and things like that. I spend a lot of money and effort and time into that business, and hopefully it continues to grow. But if it stays where it's at, that's great. I'm not complaining. I have my Amazon FBA business, and I also am heavily invested in some other investments such as cryptocurrency, which has been extremely awesome. Not a topic that I'm super familiar about, but it's doing well. And I'm very blessed and super thankful for all the opportunity that I've been given. And I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me, following along with my journey. And if you guys are enjoying my videos, I would appreciate it if you guys shared it with a friend. tag me on Instagram, Facebook, join the Facebook group, whatever you can to try to get my channel some traction, get some people out. If not, no worries, no pressure, but I just want to say thank you guys. And I know who you are that have been following me since day one. It means the world, and I just want to say thank you guys, and we will see you guys in the next video, so stay tuned.